Several months ago, I stood here and asked for your help for Grace Reformed Baptist Church through CBTS to help us remodel the building you see behind us. And the work is now going on. Thanks to you, we have raised $110,000 plus for the remodeling of our new facility that will house both Grace Reformed Baptist Church and Covenant Baptist Theological Seminary. Simply saying thank you seems completely inadequate to me, but we do want to say thankful. We are very grateful for your help, and do pray for us that we'll be good stewards of what God has done for us and of the mission He's set before us here at Covenant Baptist Theological Seminary.